Human Rights Organization Petitioned Soludo to dissolve a Lawless Vigilante Group due to accusations of cross-border killings and abductions. The Anambra State Governor, Chukwuma Soludo, has been urged to carry out the immediate disbandment and prosecution of members of a vigilante group operating from Ndikeokwu Uli in Ihiala local government area of the state. Human Rights Group, the International Society for Civil Liberties and Rule of Law, Inter-Society, petitioned the state government, citing a spate of alleged cross-border killings, abductions, and extortion targeting residents of neighboring Egbuoma community in Oguta local government area of Imo State. In the petition dated July 25, 2025, and addressed to the Anambra State Commissioner of Police, CP Ikioye Orotugu, and the Special Advisor to the Governor on Community Security, Prince Ken, Inter-Society warned of a looming intercommunal crisis. The urgency of our letter is sequel to the fact that members of the victim community, Egbuoma Autonomous Community, in Oguta, Imo State, are furiously running out of patience, having endured and lived with such unprovoked attacks and humiliations since 2022. The rights group stated in a statement issued on Monday and signed by its board chairman, Emeka Umeagbalasi, and others. The group listed at least 10 Egbuoma indigenes allegedly murdered by the Uli Central Vigilante Group since 2022, including Chijioke Mugbeobu, Sunday Onyebuchi, and Happiness Okori. According to Inter-Society, Mugbeobu was killed in March 2023, Onyebuchi was killed in September 2022, Okorie was killed in June 2023, Levinus Muo was killed in May 2023, Ikechi Obiajemba was killed in October 2023, Uchenna Ahaize was killed in December 2023, Stainless Ogunji was killed in September 2023, Onyebuchi Okorie was killed in February 2024, Chidi Ohanyele was killed on January 5, 2024, and Nute was killed on February 1, 2025. It also accused the vigilantes of holding citizens for ransom, often under the pretext of fighting for the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, or the Eastern Security Network, ESN. Inter-Society also called for the sealing of the vigilante group's camps and immediate release of all unlawfully detained persons, warning that continued inaction could provoke violent retaliation from the affected communities. The group stated, "Cases of abductions by the deadly outfit have also hit Egbuoma community. Likewise, collection of millions of naira as bail fees from their close friends and relatives, and their release or permanent disappearance thereafter." For instance, citizen Akiose Odemjibi was abducted on July 29, 2024 at about 3 p.m. and held illegally for more than 3 weeks until his friends and relatives secured his release after paying the vigilante assailants N2 million. Furthermore, Kosarachi Ohajuba was abducted since June 20, 2025, and has not been freed till date, and as if that was not enough, the killer outfit went ahead to place N2 million ransom or bail fee on his head as a condition for setting him free. Cases also abound, showing that even after paying the ransoms or bail fees, such victims are never returned to their families alive. Inter-Society noted that the petition, titled "Calling for Thorough Investigation, Arrest, and Prosecution of Leaders and Other Operatives of the Uli Central Vigilante Group and Disbandment of the Killer Outfit for incessantly crossing boundaries and invading Egbuoma community in Oguta, Imo State," has been acknowledged by the governor's aide, Prince Emeka,